Hi, this is Neeraj Jaswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we are going to set the colors for the buttons and try to match it as close as possible to the calculator app. So let's go ahead. For the colors, as you can see, these are light gray and these are dark gray. So I have already found out the color code for light gray and dark gray, and so I'm going to set the color for this button. So as I am using the prefab, I'll select the prefab here and I'm going to set the colors. So the color code for the light gray which is being used is this one, DEDEDEFF. So this is the color code for the light gray. As you can see, this matches now. And this one, this toggle button and the AC and percentage button, these are slightly darker compared to the number keys. The code is, let me say, those need to be set explicitly here. So I'll select those buttons and set the color explicitly. Similarly for the toggle button, I'll set the color and also the percentage button. So as you can see, now we are more or less close to the whatever the shade is there. So now next is setting the orange buttons, basically the operators and the equals. So to do that, select the divide button, select this, and the orange color code which I have found out is this F4913FF. Let me set for all the buttons in that particular column. So even for the plus button, and then the equal to button. So now we have set the color codes for all the buttons. Now the next thing which we need to do is we need to change the color of the font for the orange buttons. So you select the orange button, go to the text, change the color to white. Similarly for the multiply button, you select the text and change the color to white. Similarly for the minus button, you set it, and then the plus button, and the equals button. So now the color codes have been set for the buttons. Now for the background, what we are going to do is we are just going to set the color code for the parent panel. For the parent panel, it is basically a dark area, so we'll choose a dark color, and then we will set all the other panels as transparent. To do that, select the panel and make the panel as transparent. We'll set a alpha is 0, so it will become transparent. Similarly for the panel row 1, set the alpha as 0. All the panels which are there, we have to do it like this. So for panel 3, panel 4, panel 5, panel 5A, panel 5B, and the child panel of panel 5B. So right now we have all the panels. So if you just want to confirm whether they are actually blank or not, what you can do, just change the color of the parent panel to some bright color and you will see the lines. So this is how you can confirm that all the panels are basically transparent, only the parent panel is set. So the parent panel we have set the color. One more thing is, like, we have to add some transparency out there. As you can see, there's some transparency, so some alpha is there. So for time being, we'll set a bit of alpha and just set it here at 200. So now we have set the colors for the app and it looks quite similar to the app which we are trying to achieve, this one. So that's all in this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. So keep rocking and happy coding.